Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So I want to do a quick short video. Alright, so the first one is, if you made a mistake in your subject combination, please, you can still correct it now while registration has not ended. You made a mistake in your subject combination, quickly go back to the CBT center and correct it, because when registration closed, you can't do anything again. All right, so it means that you have to find a course that's in university that will take that your subject combination. So if you know it is wrong, kindly do what? Go back to the CBT center. If you need a guide on your course subject combination, please, I always advise, use the DTW JAMB CBT app or go on our group. I have made a PDF document. I've dropped it on our group of at least the top 99, at least your course should be there, the top 99 courses and their subject combination and WAEC requirements. Please don't only look at subject combination. I've seen people asking me, you want to do fine art, okay, you want to do the subject in JAMB, okay, but WAEC you don't want to take it in WAEC. I don't how would they give you admission? Are you with me? So don't forget WAEC requirements. As I've also mentioned, there are particular schools that the requirements for some subjects are special. I would mention one, Unilag. If you are going for engineering Unilag and you're about taking WAEC, you must register further maths. You must do further maths. If not, if you score 300 and above, they will not give you admission if you don't have further maths in your WAEC. Are you getting me? I've seen someone score 300 and they didn't give him, and that's why I'm repeating this. Those are some schools like that with specific requirement for specific courses. So please make sure you check all these things. I've been echoing on it, hitting on this requirement, following it. So please, if you have made a mistake, your subject combination, or you want to change, have a change in mind, quickly go now and do it, so you don't have to wait till next year. All right, so that's it on subject combination. If you're having any problems with your profile code, you are still trying to generate your profile code, any issues, contact us and would help you out to resolve it. You can also check our Facebook group. Our Facebook group will resolve some problems of profile code. You can also read through and find a solution, or watch the videos on profile code issues I have done on our channel. Thank you. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. He's coming back very soon. You are destined to win. Prep for JAMB 2025. You can do it. You would achieve it. You are destined to win.